Hi, welcome to Make It Today and Wear It Tonight. So we're going to make this little cover up made from a beautiful sheer fabric. You can make this out of any fabric. It's got a neck and two sides and a hem, and that's it. So this fabric came from Top Stitch Studio. You guys know that's where I teach. And this was hand painted and designed and sent away, and it came back. There you go. Lee did this one. So we came and made this. It's got two sides, looks like a sleeve, but again, there's a neck and two stitches down the side, and then you hem it on the edges and hem it at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to take this fabric. This is 1 yard for a small or medium, and do 1.5 yards for a large or extra large. And if you make a few of them, you'll know how much fabric to use. So you take the fabric, it's already folded in the direction that it may come, and then you're going to fold it again. Here's the neck. You're going to mark 6 inches across the top and 2 inches down. Cut that, there's the neck. And then we're going to open it and stitch 2 seams down the side, 12 inches down, 12 to 15, just depending on your side, but 12 to 15 inches down, about 6 inches in from the edge. Okay, let's go. Okay, we've already folded the fabric. We're gonna mark, this is gonna go by so quick, y'all, don't blink. So we're gonna mark 6 inches right here and 2 inches down. Take your curve. If you don't have a curve, you can kind of eyeball it. All right, take your curve. Because be careful to not get a V right here if you don't want one, but just use your curve. Draw a line. There you go. You got a neckline. And what I have done before, because we like to recognize the back and the front, what I have done is I've just kind of taken my, and I kind of eyeball this, but you can use your curve also, okay? Take the neckline in the front down a little. And this is design choice. So it's not, your top is not going to come out crazy if you don't do this, but it's really is design choice, and if you're proficient at this, it should, you should be satisfied with it. So I just want to lower the front of it a little past the back, and I just draw it down a little and take it up. So you get a real good definition of the back versus the front. Okay, and then you're going to do, you lay this out, let me move this stuff out of the way. Lay it out, you want to measure. You want to measure 6 inches in. Okay, make sure your fabric is straight. Yeah, I got a squirrely fabric here. All right, so I want to measure 6 inches in all the way up about 15 inches. Okay, so just use your chalk or whatever marking tool you have. Again, you'll be making these while you watch television. Okay, and then I just want to take it up about 15 inches. Let's take it about right there. Okay, 6 inches in, and I'm going to post all of this on the site, so you'll have it written down. Okay, with nice clear pictures. And then you're going to do both sides. You're going to stitch down here and do that on the same side, and you can try it on then. And then we're going to roll the edges. Okay, you can serge the edges or roll, hem them, it doesn't matter. And then when you're done, you can go. Okay? Okay, here we are. I'm done with my little cover up. I think I like this one. I cut the neck a little wider. So we folded it 6 inches across, 2 inches down, cut, stitch 15 inches down the sides, hem all around the arms and the bottom, and you're ready. So see you next time for Make It Today, Wear It Tonight. Bye.